What's up, you guys? It's RJ. Welcome back to my channel. Time to check out some more Treasure. Today we're going to check out some covers from Treasure. I think all of these are going to be covers actually, and I did add Bangidem's Mistletoe cover as well, just to make it Christmassy since I'm in Christmas attire, even though this is not Christmassy behind me at all. So we're going to be watching Jungkook. Is that how you pronounce his name? His cover of Latch from Disclosure and the Sam Smith cover. Jungwoo, some superstar, Jungwoo and Haruto stack it up, and Bangidem's Honesty which is a Pink Sweat cover, and then Bangidem covering Mistletoe. It's gonna be packed, so let's go ahead and start. What makes it so nice as well, I think Jungkook, Jungwoo, and I think Jihoon, the three J's, three of the J's at least, are three members that I'm not familiar with in this group, so I'm actually kind of excited to be checking out at least two of them. So yeah, we're gonna start with Latch. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Everybody knows this song.
You leave my heart up when the last of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
Oh, I like his voice.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know why I am found.
I wasn't expecting him to cover those parts.
I wanna lock in your love, babe. I think you're closing now. Put that lock in your love, baby. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Wow.
Got you shaking in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
I'm trying to take in his voice and his face so I can remember.
I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shaking in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Never.
That was such a good job. That has to be really difficult to be singing in such a high register like that for an entire chorus, you know? But he did a good job. I really enjoyed that. So I'm gonna have to try to remember his voice. It had a particular tone to it that I feel like I could probably point out sometimes, but I'm not gonna test myself anytime soon. Maybe I'll go back and like listen to the other songs and see if I can like point them out myself. All right, let's move on to Park Chung-woo, Superstar, Ruben Studdard cover. I do not know this song, I'm pretty sure, but let's go. Oh, this, what? What is the 2004? What does that mean? Is that when this song came out?
Long ago, and oh, so far away,
Oh, I wasn't expecting this vibe.
I fell in love with you before the second show.
Ooh.
And your guitar, and you sound so sweet and clear, but you're not really here. It's just a radio.
Wow.
Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby?
Oh. Wait, maybe I do know this song.
You said that you'll be coming back this way again.
Wow.
Baby, 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 oh, baby, I love you. I really do.
Wow, that was really nicely done. Very nice. Wow. I'm like, almost, I don't know what to say. Unfortunately, the lighting was like very dark. I'm not gonna be able to like recognize who he was, but I was kind of captivated by his voice the whole time. And then the song hit me. I think I have heard that song before. The chorus, at least, definitely stuck out to me. But he sounded really good, very soulful, kind of, you know? All right, so now we're moving on to Jungwoo. Oh wait, I get to see him again, that's right. Jungwoo and Haruto in Stack It Up, Liam Payne, and a Boogie with a Hoodie. I've heard that name before. I don't think I've heard this song ever before, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, let's go. I don't know what these dates mean.
I don't wanna be broke when I DIE. Wanna be living it up in VIP. Trying to get in the club, they wanna see ID. Want me to wear nice shoes and I've been working to get him by, but that didn't all to satisfy. I got dreams for you and I, so I got money on my mind. So if you wanna take it up, man, you gotta work for it. Ain't nobody gonna be doing it for ya. I got dreams and I got time, but that didn't all to give me back. So I take it up, man, you gotta work for it. Yeah, I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind.
He sounds really good.
I wanna flex all like DOE, but right now my call needs the MOT, and I can't give the body no TIP. But like him, I got dreams and a BIG. Try to be a better guy, but that didn't all to satisfy. I got dreams for you and I, so I got money on my mind. So
I really like his voice.
Take it out, man, you gotta work for it. Ain't nobody gonna be doing it for ya. I got dreams and I got time.
I'm hearing like another voice. Is that Haruto?
So I take it up, man, you gotta work for it. Yeah, I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind.
Yeah, I know she don't come for you gonna walk for her. Lamborghini Earth body when I first saw her. She got me creeping, I had to buy her a purse for her. I think about how many I'd be the worst for her. And if I how many I would've been lost her. The longest one was the brokest and I was the longest one was the brokest and I was struggling. Girls got me friend and they owe me the money coming in. Said the long thing, I put it in Louis luggage. Like a sister, lean but a couple luggages. Wasn't always sweet, got Prince chance for 50 cents. Now I just hate to run me next, run me next.
If you wanna take it out, man, you gotta work for it. Ain't nobody gonna be doing it for ya. I got dreams and I got time, but that didn't all to give me back. So I take it out, man, you gotta work for it. Yeah, I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind.
You know, I mentioned this in the last Treasure video that I think I watched, which was Everyday. There was a particular part of that song where Haruto and Bangyadem were harmonizing, and with like Haruto's low tone and Yadem's like high tone, it just sounded really well. It also sounded really well here too with Jungwoo and Haruto. So very interesting cover, very nice cover, very interesting song as well. I've never heard that original song before, so that was really my first time ever experiencing those and the lyrics and whatnot. The lyrics were kind of funny. So yeah, very nice job, you guys. All right, let's move on to Mr. Yadem Honesty Pink Sweat cover. Pink Sweats? Is it Sweats? I don't know who these people are. I mean, I've heard of Pink Sweat before. Sorry, I just activated Siri. Okay. I've heard of Pink Sweat before, but I just thought it was sweat and no S. So I don't know if the dollar sign is supposed to be an S. Maybe I've been saying it wrong this whole time. I don't know. Either way, let's go. It sounds like a song I know, but I don't think I know this one.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. What if it's not reciprocated? I told her, don't rush, girl, don't you rush. And guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Will you share your flaws with me? Let me know. Yeah. I told her thinking is all wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go.
He has such a great voice. Was not expecting that. See, that can't be easy, and his voice sounds so stable in such a high register.
이대로 가다가는 지칠 거야 분명히 확신이 없는 게 아니야 마음이 앞서기보다 너한테만큼은 진지해져 솔직히 yes I'm full of love 배불러 넌 내게 말해 확신을 줘 여기서 다 알고 있잖아 왜 그리 심술나 있어 온종일 she keep asking me
Did he write those lyrics? Like the Korean?
I told her thinking is all wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go.
I love that he's like harmonizing with himself in that part too. Wow. Does anybody know like what where these covers come from? Like what I mean by that is like, do they like elect to do this, or do people in their company like, you know, think that like, you know, oh, this would be a good song for you to cover based on your voice, and then they're like, oh yeah, I'll check it out, or are these like artists that they actually admire that they just want to cover the song for? I'm really curious about that because I don't know the answer. Okay, so let's get on to Mistletoe. And I don't know if this is a cover of a particular cover of Mistletoe. For example, Justin Bieber's cover of Mistletoe. I don't know. Either way, I'm sure he's gonna blow this out of the water. So let's go.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in no one touch, no, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in no one touch, no, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shorty with you.
Okay. So yeah.
Under the mistletoe, everyone's gathering around the fire. Just
The shawty was a dead giveaway.
I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Words on the streets say it's coming tonight. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making the list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Yeah, shawty with you, shawty with you.
I think I've only heard the original once.
Hey love, the wise men follow the star, the way I followed my heart, and it led me to a miracle. Hey love, don't you buy me nothing, 'cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips, there's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shorty with you, shorty with you, under the mistletoe. Yeah, shorty with you, shorty with you, under the mistletoe.
This is another song his voice suits so well too. Very nice. I don't know that this was the case, but when I was listening to that and the piano in the background, it sounded like, I don't know, I was envisioning he was playing the piano and also singing this. I don't know if that was the case or not, or if there was just someone else playing the piano and he was just doing the vocal part. I don't know if he knows how to play the piano, but maybe you guys can let me know how that came together. Because that would be really cool if he was playing the piano and also singing the song at the same time, because that's talent. And I love the piano, and anybody that can play the piano is like a win in my book. I definitely enjoyed all of these covers though. I had a very wide range of different types of songs. And so hopefully now this will help me to remember Jungkook, Jungwoo, those two a little bit better. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna go listen to some more Treasure songs and see if I can kind of point out the voices. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Maybe hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.